Your eyes are pools of virtue, touched and stirred yet still. A gaze turned past time, holy stillness reveals your perfect will. Light to time connected, eternity made near. Mountains bow and valleys rise when I find you here. Your breath is home, your presence true, forever sustains the blue, and forever is forever with you. Your breath is home, your mercy new. Every road becomes a song when I walk with you. Illumination pierces fog, my soul begins to see. Every shadow finds its end when you're leading me. Brooks and pools brimful with rain, where dry hearts once withdrew. Dream of dreams comes true again when I dance with you. Blessed are the ones you dwell within, whose roads are paved by grace. Through lonesome valleys we ascend, till Zion fills our gaze. Your breath is home, your mercy is true. Every step is holy ground, and I'm held by you. Your breath is home, your promise true. Forever is forever, Lord. Forever with you. Your breath is home, your promise is true. Forever is forever with you. Forever with you.